Trying to figure out what to do with leftovers can be a problem. Hi, I'm Alexa Sparkman, and today we're going to talk about how to effectively store food. Instead of the typical plastic wrap, try the sticky wrap that seals in freshness. This wrap can even be used in the freezer. Another idea, when you open a package of crackers or cookies or pasta, you want to keep that fresh until you're ready to use it the next time. It's really important to use containers that seal in the freshness. These disposable containers are great ideas. You fill them up, lock it tight, and the food will stay fresh. Properly sealed, frozen meats will keep up to 3 months. A frozen leftover, it's better to eat that in a month or 2. And that's how you effectively store food. I'm Alexa Sparkman. Until next time.